In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work on Jotform, a popular online form builder that allows users to create and publish forms, with responses then being emailed to the user or stored in the cloud. Whether you're creating a simple contact form, a registration form for an event, or collecting data for research, ensuring your changes are saved is crucial. First things first, let's navigate to the Jotform website. You can do this by typing Jotform into your search engine, or entering www.jotform.com directly into your browser's address bar. Upon arriving at the site, you'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface designed to make your form building experience as intuitive as possible. Once you're on the Jotform homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is typically located in the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. If you're new to Jotform, you might have to sign up for an account instead, but don't worry, the process is straightforward and quick. For those of you who have connected your Jotform account to a Google account or another platform, you'll see the option to log in through these services. This is particularly handy as it saves you the trouble of remembering another password. Click on the Google button or the alternative platform you've linked to your Jotform account to proceed with logging in. After you've successfully logged in, your next destination is My Forms. This section is effectively the dashboard for all the forms you've created or are working on. Here you can manage, edit and view your forms. The My Forms page is easily accessible from the main menu. Just look for the corresponding link and click on it. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty, selecting and editing your form. On the My Forms page, browse through your forms and identify the one you wish to edit. Next to each form title, you'll find an Edit Form button. Clicking on this will take you into the form builder where you can make your desired changes. Whether you're updating questions, changing the form's design, or tweaking the settings, Jotform's editor is incredibly user-friendly. This brings us to the most critical part of today's tutorial, saving your work. Unlike traditional document editors, where a manual save option is often required, Jotform simplifies the process. Any changes you make to a form are automatically saved in real time. You can confirm this by looking at the last edited timestamp at the top of the screen within the form builder. Every time you make a modification, this timestamp updates, reassuring you that your hard work isn't going anywhere, even if you close the browser by accident. That said, it's worth emphasizing the significance of this feature. Not having to manually save changes means there's one less thing for you to worry about during the form creation process. However, it also means you should be mindful of the changes you're making, especially if you're editing a form that's already live and being used to collect responses. It's also a good practice to periodically review the form yourself by using the preview function in the form builder. This allows you to see your form exactly as a respondent would, ensuring that all changes reflect exactly how you want them to. After all, the goal is not just to save changes, but to create effective, user-friendly forms that meet your needs and the needs of those filling them out. In conclusion, Jotform makes form creation and editing a breeze with its auto-save functionality. From the moment you log in to the final adjustments in your form, every change is captured and stored automatically, ensuring your edits are never lost. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, this feature is designed to make your experience as seamless as possible. And with that, you now know how to ensure your work on Jotform is saved. It's all about the little details and knowing your way around the platform that makes all the difference. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form building.